Viewers, have you noticed a bunch of your hair strands on your pillow or in your shower drain lately? Have you started to notice that your hairline's receding? The average adult has about 150,000 hair strands and losses up to 100 of them a day, so don't be alarmed yet. Losing your hair, though, especially at an early age, can not only affect your physical health but your mental health as well. Excessive hair loss can be a serious problem. Let's talk about 10 tips to regrow your hair naturally. Number 1, onion juice. This may sound a bit weird, but using it is a surefire method to boosting hair growth and promoting hair regrowth. Onion is rich in sulfur, which nourishes and regenerates your hair follicles and growth. Click below link to read full details in our ebook, which is available on https://solar.co/sol and https://gum.co/zbafe. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, share and subscribe to Health for Life. Watch our other videos below.